Alright, this is where I almost flipped my truck. Right up there. I'll show you the black marks. Drive along the black marks here. Not too fast, me. Here's where my front tires went. Here's where I kicked my ass out. Drifted the whole way. Right here. Drifted the whole way. Here's where I lost control, went too far sideways, almost flipped right here. Fucking, here's the skid marks where I almost flipped. And then that's where I went into the ditch. And then up here's where I came out. And this is where I whipped shitties and lost my power steering. Oh, these were meat had fun. And right here. Before I took on my power steering.